Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Okay, so this is a Pure Era 100% cotton sheet. And this is our second one. We got the first one, we liked it so much that we got another one. And we've been experimenting with quite a few different sheets. The polyester ones, they feel like cold when you get in, and just kind of, the higher the thread count, it doesn't really seem to matter. Like, they don't really seem that soft. This is 100% cotton, and it's not cold when you get in bed. It has a nice, it just feels like a nice, comfortable, like t-shirt almost. It's like super, yeah, spent a couple nights in it already in our other one, and we just really like it. So we got a second one. It's got deep pockets for like thicker mattresses on the fitted sheet for the to go under the mattress. We have a California King, and this one comes in that size, so it's really nice. But super comfortable. Really pleased with these. Just making another review here. We'll just throw it on the bed and check it out. So here's the fitted sheet part, and we have a California King, and it fits really well. I think our mattress is 12 inches thick, but the fitted part fits really nice. Yeah, this is my second purchase of this. We got one and we liked it so much. We got a different color. We've spent a lot of time getting like really high thread count sheets and all that stuff. It doesn't really seem to make any difference. So those ones were like, if they're part polyester and part cotton or something like that, yeah, they just were always like super cold when you got in right away, and then just like not that soft, more like I don't know, just a different. These are like 100% cotton, and yeah, the fitted sheet fits perfectly. Plenty of room to tuck under there. It doesn't come undone. But yeah, we love these so much. We got a second one, so I'll go ahead and finish making the bed here and wrap this up. There we go. And even though this is a California King, it fits. The sheet is plenty big to be able to tuck in underneath if I want. I got room on the sides here as well. Yeah, my wife and I love these sheets. They come in a bunch of different colors. I highly recommend this. Yeah, like I said, we've been trying, the really high thread count sheets, and 1,000, 2,000, or whatever, and just doesn't seem to matter with those. Just the 100% cotton. They don't get. I've had them for a couple weeks now, but you don't get all hot and sweaty. You don't get really super cold. They're just comfortable, So yeah, we really love these sheets, and I thought I'd share this. You guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.